Hello, I am Ochoa, a physics scientist and an astronaut from the NASA. I was born on the 10th of May of 1958 in Los Angeles, California. My paternal grandparents were Mexicans, and I was the first woman of Hispanic origin to travel to space. I studied physics at the University of San Diego. After that, I got a doctorate in electrical engineering at the University of Stanford. Later, I became a researcher at the Centro de Investigación AMES of the NASA, and I specialized in optical systems for information processing. In addition, I became the inventor of three patents related to this field. The first patent was an optical device that inspected an object and looked for defects due to the interruptions in a pattern that was repeated. The second one was a device that used optical technology to identify objects, for example, a place to land for a plane. The last one was an optical system that reduced the distortion of an image. All these inventions were very useful for evaluating equipment safety. I tried 2 times to be an astronaut, but it didn't select me until 1990 that I was accepted in the NASA, and a year later I was already an astronaut. My first mission was the STS-56 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1993. This mission took 9 days and we gathered information about the atmosphere, the ozone layer, and the solar corona. My next mission was a year later, the STS-66. In it, we studied the solar energy and its influence on the Earth's meteorology. In 1999, I had my third mission, the STS-96, that consists of docking the plane in the International Space Station in order to move logistic materials and supplies. My last mission was the STS-110 in 2002. With it, I obtained 978 hours in space during my time as an astronaut. After my last space mission, I was appointed Deputy Director of Tripulation Operation in Johnson Space Center and in 2012, First Director of Hispanic origin and the second woman in charge of the organization. I have received various honors from the NASA for my contribution as Exceptional Service in 1997, Excellent Leadership in 1995, Space Flights in 1993, 1994, and in 1999, and 2 Technical Space Awards in 1992. All this hasn't stopped me from having a personal life since I am married and have 2 children.